Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To find the WPS button, you should usually look at the back of your router. However, the placement of the button depends on your device. What if my router doesn't have a WPS button? If your router doesn't have a WPS button, you can use the web-based setup with an internet browser to set up your Wi-Fi connection.
Take our lead.
You should at least disable the PIN-based authentication option. On many devices, you'll only be able to choose whether to enable or disable WPS. Choose to disable WPS if that's the only choice you can make. We'd be a bit worried about leaving WPS enabled, even if the PIN option appears to be disabled.
Let's help you make your mark.
The WPS pin is displayed on the LED screen of the printer when you're trying to wirelessly connect your computer to it. This has nothing to do with your router. If your computer has located your network printer, then it will ask you for a WPS pin. Just look for the generated pin on your printer screen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.